So I'm here in Keelung, Taiwan. It's April 29th. It's 25 Celsius. The ship is docked right there. And I'm going to go for a run in that direction. We'll see how it goes. So I'm in here, the port of Keelung, Taiwan. The ship is docked right over there. I'll show you where it is. There's the ship right there. I just came from that area. And then I'm going to head this way. There's the beach area. There's the ship over there. I just noticed it now. It's about 7 kilometers away. I'm walking in Taiwan, heading to the beach while I'm running there. So I had to stop at the Family Mart to get something to eat. So I got my Monster and a Snickers bar. It was about $4 for both. And then I'm going to go this way. And it's about another 5 kilometers to where I get to. So 26 Celsius today. Running and I just went off the path. I'm going to continue to the beach, but this is an area I'm going to get to some point. And the beach is somewhere over that way. Over there looks like a stadium. We'll head there. So I'm running down this area. It's another 3 kilometers to get there. And we'll continue. So I don't know, I'm going somewhere over here. And this is a swimming area. You can see everybody swimming down there. And this goes all the way down there, 3 kilometers, and it goes to the beach. But look, it's like a swimming pool in the ocean. That's pretty cool. There's everybody tanning over there. Look at that. It's crazy. It's like a man-made swimming pool from the ocean. And they're swimming over there with all the rocks. You see. And we're going to continue running. Crazy. So another 3 kilometers straight down the way I'm going. And there should be a beach down there. I don't know what it's called. Dalawi Beach or something like that. So I'm still running. And I got to this little area. There's a lot of people fishing down here, you can see. Pretty cool. And then we'll keep on going. It looks like a little rest stop. So maybe some restaurants over here or something. But there's a little fishing. About 2 more kilometers and I'll be at the beach. Somewhere over there. Or maybe it's down there. I don't know. Still going. 7 kilometers already, about another 2 kilometers. It's right over there. There's the beach down there. I'll make it there eventually. And then probably run back or take an Uber back. Right along the mountains here. Came from that way. There's the beach. Keelung, Taiwan. Looks empty. Mountains right there. And we'll continue going. Okay, so that was about 7.5 kilometers. Made it to the beach. And this is the beach area here. And it's not really a nice beach, but it's the beach. And it comes out here, all the way back over that. It almost looks like we're in That's it, made it an hour and maybe 15 minutes, but I walked a lot because I tried to get on the right path. So at the end of the beach parking lot area, and then I'm going to head back. As you can see here, it came from that direction over there. head back down there. And then I'll go back over there. Don't know where that goes. So I'm here in Keelung, Taiwan. I did about 10 kilometers riding and head back towards the ship. And then I passed by this fabulous restaurant here, Santorini. But we're not in Santorini. And then right next to over there is Mykonos. So we got Mykonos and Santorini on the same island in Keelung, Taiwan. Very interesting. It actually looks like a nice restaurant, but I'm not going to stop because I'm sweaty. And then Mykonos over there beside the mountains. Pretty cool. So 15 kilometers, 2 hours and 20 minutes, still running. Didn't run too fast. I walked a lot. I haven't really eaten anything today except a Snickers bar and a Monster. So I'm going to head to KFC. There's a Diamond Princess right where we're docked on the other side. And then the ship is literally on the other side of over there. On the other side of that ship. There you go. So yeah, and then I'll go back, grab some to eat, and then take a nap. But it's a nice area. It's still 26, 27 Celsius. I came from over there.